Hi everyone, it's Laura here, and I'd like to welcome you to the Financielle online community where dreamers and doers can master financial wellness together. I wanted to create a safe space where people looking for financial wellness in their lives can come, learn, share, and ultimately support and be supported. This is the community that I needed years ago when I had consumer debt, no savings to my name, and no clue about what financial plan I should be following. So here we are. You can customize your experience in the community with your personalizing your profile, selecting topics to follow. You can curate the things that you want to see in your feed and guide your experience so it serves you best. It is a great environment to provide you with resources as you work through the Financielle Playbook, our simple money plan that has helped so many of you already. The KPI of Financielle is number of people helped. So if you think anyone else in your world would benefit from joining the Financielle community, please feel free to invite them. We're going to be doing some pretty amazing things with the space. We will be listening to what you need and walking with you on your financial wellness journey. I look forward to speaking with many of you within the community. Take care and have a great day.